Jay.
Here.
Shut up. Is it magnet?
No, yeah, it's metal and heavy.
How it just clicked. It just sounded like it clicked together like a magnet.
Rah! It's because of metal hitting metal.
Yeah.
If this was a magnet, I mean, that would like damage your hands and everything.
Yeah.
Do it to the camera so they can see your awesome muscleness. Arrgh. Mason, you get two too. Come on. Everybody knows count of 3. 1, 2. Ah! You didn't do it.
On the count of 3.
3. Move.
Take it away from you.
Daddy, do you like me being this tall?
You're still short, sweetie. Okay, I need you to move. Where's your glasses, guys? Okay, I'm gonna grind and clean this up, okay? Put your glasses on. Okay. Hang that up. Alright, bring the welder over here. We are gonna do some test welds with you guys.
But I want ours that we got for Christmas.
Okay, but you don't want your hat on right now.
I know.
Hey, wasn't that so nice of your brother?
Yeah. Thank you, Mason.
What was that? Somebody break something?
No, we didn't break something.
Why not?
Cause
If you're gonna drop something or throw something, make it worthwhile. I don't know about these kids. When you go in there, you're gonna be welding and you're gonna go back and forth just a little bit across the weld. See how little tiny bit of movement I am? Just enough to go over and grab each side, okay? All right? It's on high. It's gonna be a good sized weld. This isn't just a little weld. Kierra, you wanna try first?
Sure.
Okay. Remember to only pull the trigger once you are down on it, okay? Okay, just start where it's comfortable. Lift this up. But can you see okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, grab that. Okay,
Ready?
hold on. What you want to do is rest against this a little bit so that you can hold it still. Hold it steady, okay?
Okay.
All right. Stop. All right. Look at that. So you see how you went back and forth on that?
Uh-huh.
oh, that's a nice weld.
Okay, Mason, I want you to do a weld up here on top. Okay? You want the auto darkening?
This one is.
Okay, I didn't remember how many we had. Okay, remember, use your hand, rest your hand or something here. Okay? And set that up so you can do it. Welding. We're missing the hole. Oh, see it? Yeah. You're gonna watch for that little groove. Okay, go ahead. You gotta follow the line.
I don't know.
You see how you just went towards your hand, you followed that. Yeah. You didn't follow. Okay, I'm gonna weld, okay? Ready? Yeah. Right, you get some watch, okay? Okay, so now what you're doing is you're trying to weld this way and not see the gap. So I went up and I got it so I could see the gap. Okay? Alright? You want to try again? Let's try again. So that's what you're doing. So you did an angle a little bit. You're getting closer though.
Yeah.
Okay? Try welding that little gap in right there, okay? Okay. Welding. So you're getting it, but you're not going back and forth and getting enough, okay?
Okay.
Try that little hole right there.
That stinks.
What?
The smell.
Go turn the fan on then. Welding. Come here, Kierra. I want you to pick a spot and do a weld, okay? It's up to you, you're just gonna do it. Okay, hold it.
Welding.
Stop. You gotta weld, say that before, okay? All right, come here.
Sounds
Try again. Get up closer. You gotta have it closer. You don't want this piece touching. You want it about half an inch off.
Okay.
So go ahead and weld and get closer.
Welding.
Let's try this.
Looks like it held up.
You want to throw it? Don't hit my doors.
It's holding up.
Yeah. Would you risk your life on a roll cage on it?
No. I would definitely have to weld that.